हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश नोट्स। फ्रेंड्स, आज जो मैं अपने नोट्स शेयर करने वाली हूँ वो है शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन जॉन मिल्टन। हिज लाइफ स्पैन 9 दिसंबर 1608 to 8 December 1674. So let's start short notes on John Milton. Short notes on John Milton. Milton was the greatest poet of the Puritan age. His poetry is remarkable for simple, sensuous, and sublime expressions. Milton was born in the year 1608. Milton sings about himself and about his own lofty soul. From childhood, Milton's parents set him apart from the attainment of noble end. From boyhood to great principle seems to govern Milton's career, one of the love of beauty, music, art, and literature. The other thing that influenced Milton's career was his steadfast devotion to duty. A brief course at the famous St. Paul's School in the London was a prelude to Milton's entrance to Christ College, Cambridge. Milton was a great scholar of classical and religious literature. He was a great humanist and a great artist. Milton looked upon poetry as a serious business of his life, and he made up his mind to dedicate himself to it. His religious passion and the passion of Puritans came out uppermost in his great poems. Two things of personal interest are of great importance in Milton's life: his marriage and his blindness. In 1643, Mary Powell. Milton married Mary Powell. In a month, she was tired of Puritan's life of Milton and she abandoned him. From boyhood, the strain on the poets had grown more and more, but even his eyesight was straitened. He continued to write in the service of his country. The Defensio was the last work of Milton's saw. Blindness fell upon him before it was published, and from 1652 until his death in 1674, Milton labored in total darkness in 1658. Paradise Lost was finished in 1665 after 7 years of labors in darkness. The next year, Milton began his Paradise Regained. In 1671 appeared Samson Agonist, the most powerful dramatic poems. In his early poems, Milton appears as the inheritor of all that was best in Elizabeth literature. His first work, the Ode on the of Morning of Christ's Nativity, reached the high watermark of lyric poetry in England. His other great poems, Comus and Lycidas, are the great poems. Besides his great epic Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained, Milton wrote some of the great sonnets. On His Blindness is one of the best sonnets. In Milton's poetry, we find a moral and spiritual lesson. All his poetry has some moral or spiritual purpose. Although all his works are borrowed from classics, yet their treatment in his own sensuous and passionate expression. Milton is also the master of blank verse. In brief, we can say that Milton brought into English poetry the dignity and elevation of classical poetry, but his high moral favor. Milton died in 1674. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये थे मेरे नोट्स जो मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किए। अगर आप लोगों को अच्छे लगे तो प्लीज़ गिव इट अ थम्स अप, शेयर एंड कमेंट, एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। थैंक यू।